What's up, guys? What's up? Sorry, the lag should get better in a minute. What's going on? Stream earlier than normal today because I'm sick. Well, whatever. It is what it is. Sorry guys, we're getting... Well, that was lame. The channel shut off. A little bit of lag. It'll pick up in a minute. It won't be too bad. What's up, Cody? What's up, man? Yeah, the lag will get better, don't worry. I have faith. Just let it work itself out for a second. There we go. It's coming in much better now. There we go. We're good. We're good. Wow. So BTC hold and I was wrong, it turned out. Thing absolutely tore ass on that last candle. Who would have known? What's my average here on LTC? Hold on, guys. Because I had it long from earlier, just marinating. Why? I don't even know, because I feel like shit. Sorry. What can I do? You either get no stream or 6 stream. There you go. The lag should be gone now, though. We were talking about this yesterday. ETP, keep watch on Radiate. radar for day trades. Okay, so let's go to Bittrex. And then we gotta see, fuck this ETP. Oh, they don't have it on Bitfinex. Okay. I mean on Bittrex. ETP. No, it's only on Bitfinex. Okay, interesting, interesting. Six streaming in Chi-Town. Yeah, Chicago's my favorite city, man. I go there every other year or once a year. I used to stay at the House of Blues a lot because my family's from Wisconsin. So whenever I go to the small town in Wisconsin, I'd stop in Chicago to see the city because otherwise I'm just in a small town all the time. I really like it. Nice waterfront. Great city. I hear it's getting a little bit hood though. It's getting a little dangerous, which is not cool. Plateville? No, I don't. Let me check it out. Let's see on the map. Because my family is from... Let me figure out where we're at here. Okay, my family is from La Crosse. So I always go to La Crosse. So I basically what I do when I go is I drive from Toronto through Michigan around. We stay in Chicago for a bit, and then I go from here all the way up to. Then I go from here all the way through to here. And they actually live. And then where's Wisconsin Dells? Where's the Dells? But no, I don't know Plateville. Is it somewhere unreal that I should know? Oh, right on, right on. My uncle is the football coach for his school, and he's actually in Sparta. It doesn't surprise me actually either. What's interesting, you got Iowa, you got Waterloo, Iowa. We have Waterloo, Canada, which is really popular too. Eau Claire, I know where that is. I'm just trying to find, where the fuck is this Dells? Wisconsin Dells. Where is that shit? Ah, bingo. Oh, Stevens Point too. I know where that is. Okay. Anyways, I digress on this Wisconsin Fest, but yeah. Bittrex, we gotta help out Mr. Canal here. Bittrex, Alt C. Anybody take this thing? I got some. What's my average? What's my average? 56, 55. Nice, Cody. Did you wreck them? Did you sack life them? I got right here, boom, right out of the candle, 56, 55 I got. Yeah, you know, you can only wreck people for so long. D life, D3 life. But I'm glad you put the smackdown on a few people. Wisconsin is, there's some hardcore motherfuckers out there. Chicago too. The Midwest, don't mess with the Midwest. I've been there many a times. I had many a beers in the Midwest. And they ain't playing. Should we look at some turd stocks? Maybe a few turdlings. I'm just looking at a few turds here, so we'll get back to we will get back to anybody play the INFI? I had a little bit of it, but it was lame. Cores looks hot. What's up, everybody else in the chat? Say hello, say hello. We've got 8 people in there. Make yourself known, make yourself at home. We love you, there's no fear here. There's no one gonna hurt you here. Come on, little fellas. Nobody's gonna hurt you over here, alright? Come on. Come on, little guys. Look at this little hoe. Just buzzing. What's up, Dan Lefko? What's up, Tom? Just hanging out for a bit here since I'm sick. I gotta go to bed earlier today, so I don't want to do the lounge at 10. We'll go over some charts. Do what we do. Anybody get anybody long LTC? I'm long LTC. Where are my people at? Why long? AOI was what halted today. Teva. I hate Teva though. Fury, what's going on, bro? Sorry, I'm sick, so we apologize. AJ Smith. Nah, I'm looking for it over 60. Got a break. I wanted to. I think it can break here. I'll show you. I'm watching it to see how it reacts here. If it just rips through, that's awesome. But what I think it'll do is, as it's putting in a red candle here, it's gonna go do this, and then maybe rip. Technically, on a 5-minute chart is a double tap, which is not the best. But this is my entry. So again, I don't really care right now, but I will probably sell some if this starts to fade off and look ugly. So yeah, you just scale out as you go. It's not a massive position either, so. Right on, Fury, brother. Yeah, like, I mean, I'm flipping through them all. If you can see here on my chart, I got them all. I got another screen over here that you can't see that I have it on too. Yeah, so let's see if BTC can break. You know, it's probably going to shred. It's getting hype. Getting real hype. And then you got LTC. So yeah, man, I'm watching both of them, AJ. Indeed. Cody, you got some. Dan, you got some. You guys got some of this LTC. It should push pretty hard here. It should get a lot of momentum. So I'm not too worried about the exit. If you get a really nice entry, the exit's easy. Boom. NTNX, Bont sucks. Oh. It's gonna push, guys. Watch. It looks strong at this resistance level. If I have to, I will sell, but I want to see what it does. I always watch what it does. I like to give it one more candle, like, after it reacts. I stole that from Zawman. 58.90, so if there it is, right there. Pink. There's the break right here. So I need to see how it's gonna build. Oops. In this area. So watch how it builds in this box. Watch. And react. So that's like my exit strategy, is watching what's inside this channel. I'm switching up the music. We're gonna have some nice relaxing music here. Which one's good? Is this one good? I remember these being nice. We need some. We need to watch this nice relaxing breakout. Not bring too much stress in our lives. Watch the BTC at the same. People are watching them all, Mr. AJ. I mostly just watch mine, but you have to understand is that, like, I already can tell what they're doing because I know that LTC, like, reacts with Bitcoin. So there's a 99% chance if LTC's eating shit, of course I'm gonna look at Bitcoin. They're both gonna be eating shit. So if AJ, you've been in the Shred Lounge, haven't you? You've been here for a while. You know the answer to these. We look at this every night, so I always know what's happening. That's the key, is I always look at all of them. I'm just always flipping through them all the time, just fucking around on them. That's why people get mad at traders, because they're always on the phone. Especially with smartphone now, I just look at them all the time, what they're doing. So like right now I have ETP up. Why is ETP going? Okay, well obviously ETP is a little off the chart, but it's because they're all related. If they're running, it's because Bitcoin's running. So I can usually tell just by, you get a feel for it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, JD short play. So there you go, cut through resistance. And now, as you can see, it's actually in a channel between here and here. That is a good point, AJ. But I wouldn't really say. Hold on. Here's let's you can look at what you're talking about here. It's a good point. So let's go here. What you had was really you had sideways action. Okay, so you had a sine wave, if you know a little bit of math. So you had a wave going like this, right? And now you're seeing the wave leave the sine wave. Correct? I need a little less relaxing than this. That was a little too relaxing for me. Sorry. There we go. And I just have to paste this here. Okay, so back to what we were saying. If I even remember what we were saying. Yeah, so you got this sine wave coming in hot here. Okay, now let's go to LTC. What do you also have? You got a sine wave coming in pretty hot here. You know, shredded out, of course. But this is the area we're talking about. So it is the same because it was a sine wave and then shred. So you did have sideways movement, and on BTC I had, oh, where is it? On here you had sideways movement. So that sideways movement means that I know when this shredded, it's the same as when this shredded. So I do know they were the same. Fuck. ETH is a turd lately. It's actually lame. Might pop though. It's I've had like look here. It is getting tighter. I think it looks long. Then you got the triple tap. 1, 2, and now it needs to shred up for 3. What do you think? Yeah, no problem, AJ. Always easy to draw it out. It's harder to actually do it, so that's why I just chill here, basically scribbling all night. I think I messed this chart up by drawing on it far too much. So now we need to watch in this channel. Again, this channel here. So I'll just double this up. You can see mostly the yellow line. Okay, so now on this trade, we have to watch the area in here. So this is now support line. And this is make sense? Yeah, what can you do, Mr. Potato? Isn't the life of a potato just potatoing? Like, come on, bro. If that's what a true potato does. Now, remember what we said on... Oh, hey. I say this thing goes to 62. And then who knows, gets spanked like a motherfucker. No, let's pull it up. Mona. I heard about it. I think Canal and somebody in the crypto chat did it. Dave, I don't know if you're in the Canal's crypto chat. Someone was shredding it on there. Whoa. Yeah, 306%. What a rip. What did you draw support at midpoint of the last two push-ups? Why or what? Don't know what you're asking, AJ. My dog. Are you asking why did I draw it in the middle here? This shit didn't lag. Whoa. Holy. It's eating shit because we're shredding too hard, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where's my fuck shit? Man. I'll tell you why I drew the lines there. I drew the line here, which is where I longed. Oh, hold on. 5 minutes. I drew the line there, which is where I longed. I got 56, 55, so like perfect actually. And then I drew the other line after this candle, because this is the wick and then that, so then I drew the other one here, and that's why I have my channel. This is the end of the real body, this is the end of the wick, and now you're seeing a shred. Now you're seeing a real shred. So now let's take a photo. Let's take a photo of this just for the Twitter nation. Help us get some people stream life. And we just go here. We're shredding some line. Yeah, so an absolute shred there. So those are the levels. Why both? Because they both count as levels. Like, you don't have to, but I just want, I like to, because I want it. It's an art form. You can do whatever you want. Like, I didn't draw them here, but I could draw these ones too. There. So then, like, this is your danger zone in between here, where you put your stop and like your first target. You know, you can draw another one here. You know, second target. Then you can scale some out here. You know, scale some out here, scale out a little bit more, set your lottos, and just let it shred. Easy rip, if you know what I'm saying. So now, if you guys want to manage this trade, Mona. RDFN, look at this flag in here and then pushing through. Woo, now it's getting gnarly. So we got to take some off here. So I'm going to scale some out right now. So this is what I'm saying, watching the price action. It was just pure rocket life. Now you're seeing some weakness. So I'm going to take a bit off here. And I'll put the stop here at 59.80. And I usually do all the scale outs like when it's underneath as a stop, just in case it rips right after you put the order in. We'll just give it one more second here. Watch this candle. I always give it one more candle, so I got 10 seconds left before I'm gonna take some off, which is fine. I always give it one more candle more. Okay, you're gonna get another candle right now. You should spawn the next one. I'm not sure. It's because of the lagginess of Kandi. It'll come up any second now. So this is part of the annoyance of these platforms are super slow. So in a scenario like this, there's the next one. It was delayed by, you can even see it was delayed by 40 seconds. So if this candle doesn't pop right here, I'll take a bunch off. Take half off. Yep, okay. We gotta take that off. Okay, so we're gonna put the stop in here. And now we are out. We are out. Half. Okay, so now I still got some going. So I took some off at 59.64. So I let it go a wee bit, but it's okay. Sorry, did I say 58? 59.64. 9 times China. So right around here. And then I got the rest. I still got the rest. Yeah, I believe it got halted, Umar. Yeah. Maybe it didn't. I don't know. There was a message. I wasn't trading it, but a message on my computer popped up and said trading resumed for AOI. So I don't know what that means. The dealio on it was, but yeah, man, it ate shit hard. What can you do? Let's go back and oh shit. Might have to take the rest off too. We'll see. There's another level here too. You could get this action. Or it could go back to here and bounce around here. So just keep your eyes peeled. Again, that's why I took some off there. That's where I took it off, spread it out. And because this is going so fast, you're actually getting fucking lag. Which is lame. Yeah, but yeah, man, AOI, what can you do, man? Fucking gnarly gap. Ooh. Let's look at some fucking weird stocks. Biotech. Oh. What else is going on, guys? What's up, what's up, what's up? Anybody? Anybody? You guys are quiet tonight. Let me hear you make some noise. Son? JB Hunt Trucking. Wells Fargo earnings tomorrow. What does that mean for you? I don't know. Holy, that thing was popping and locking. just set a stop here at 57.5 for the rest of my LTC. So if it goes down to here, I'll just keep this area, but I sold half up here, so we'll see what happens with the rest. Or I can skim some out there, but I'm just protecting myself because I'm getting tired and I'm probably going to leave the computer soon. If you know what I'm saying. There's an opportunity to short Bitcoin here out of this wedge, but you could get sauced up real hard. Let's look at some of the momentum stocks. Okay, so most of these stocks with some chatter I've already gone through. HMNY, the fucking Citron, slammed it. Holy. Once. Whoa. What happened to this one? After hours, got slayed more. CLS, CLSN. What a fucker. I was watching that one too. ULTA. Melly finally did end up shitting out. Canal had it short and got stopped out, I think. PGNX probably a short. Okay. Nothing that amazing. BW is interesting. Has that ever filled the gap? $8. That'd be pretty gnarly. Alright guys, I think we're gonna wind it down. Still got some long here and it's bouncing on these levels, so let's see what happens. Okay? So just a little stream for all y'all. Good hour long. And I'm gonna get some rest now and I'll be back tomorrow. Probably. Okay? Thanks guys.